Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about SERVICESCAPE, which is an important component of service management. In simple terms, SERVICESCAPE can be understood as a physical facility in which both the front office and back office activities are carried out to render some services. It acts as an important component in enhancing the service experience outcome as well as provide motivation to employees and customers. SERVICESCAPE deals with a setting where a service is consumed or delivered. It is a place where both the service provider and customer interacts with each other. SERVICESCAPE is also known as service environment. SERVICESCAPE was coined by Booms and Bittner. They suggested that ambience has direct impact on buying behavior of the customers and also on the productivity of an organization. So what are the major aspects of SERVICESCAPE? Some major aspects of the SERVICESCAPE are related to a spatial layout and functionality, signs, symbols and artifacts, ambient conditions, which basically relates with the ambient conditions of an environment like color, noise, music, sound, lighting, etc. Colors have a major impact. For example, in cinema halls, you would mostly find black colors. Colors of discotheque would be different from the colors of a family restaurant, which are more soothing in nature. The music that you will find displayed in a family restaurant would be different from that of discotheque. Ghazals would have a different impact. Landscape is also a very important element of SERVICESCAPE. For example, Taj Mahal Hotel Lucknow is a hotel that is built over 15 acres of landscape gardens on the banks of the river Gomti. Neon board would create a more favorable impact in your mind compared merely to simple flex board. A seamless SERVICESCAPE with systematized service encounter with customers help in increasing the overall productivity and efficiency of employees too. Let's take an example of an educational institution. Students and parents, both of them will be interested in knowing that how good is the building and the campus. Tangible commodities like CCTV cameras, smart classes, smart boards, chairs, good furnitures, including other paraphernalia like desk and chairs. Although the main service here is getting educated, but we are looking at the entire complete environment where the main services would be delivered, which also includes other tangible components like good buildings, projectors, etc., which facilitates performance and communication of the services. If the services are provided at a good place, good ambience, then only customers will be coming again, otherwise not. Thank you for watching this video.